Hi guys, so we're back with our first unboxing of the year. We usually will do one at the beginning of the year, but we didn't this year because we had a lot of stuff going on. But so yeah, anyway, I've got Chloe here with me and she's gonna be helping. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see, we've got all of these boxes. We've got 3 pretty good sized boxes and some smaller ones over here. So we're just gonna jump right into it because we've got a bunch of stuff. You coming?
Yep, just okay. Just checking on her.
Alright, so the first thing we have...
bands.
Yep, these are... They're called multi-bands. I don't know if you can see that. I thought that these were really cool because they have like the multiplication facts on it, and my daughter, who is doing multiplication right now, I think that these will really help her, but she can wear them like on her wrist and kind of practice her multiplication, so I thought that was really neat. They're called multi-bands.
Yeah, you could put 3 on.
You could put 3 on, you could put all of them on. That would be really cool, right?
Yeah,
I think it'll help you
more.
Let's see what else we got here. Okay. So these are multiplication dice. Again, she's working on multiplication, so I just was kind of picking up stuff that I thought would be useful, and play some games with this or something.
Yeah, or you can like just like learn the numbers on there because there's like numbers on there.
Yep. Okay. Oh, these, I was really excited about these. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but they're called Rory's Story Cubes. So they're kind of like dice, I guess. But like you roll them and it has like little pictures and stuff on it, and it is supposed to help encourage using imagination, like making up stories and stuff like that. They just kind of use like the pictures that are on the dice and come up with stories and stuff like that. So I thought that this was really neat. I think that the little ones could use them too, but anyway, they're kind of, let me see if I can...
Let's see if they're inside. Wait,
take the wrapping off. There it is. Okay. Okay, so it comes with 3 different ones. We have the action cubes. Okay. And these are, I think these are just the original cubes.
Yeah, the original ones.
Okay, and then we have voyages. And they have a lot of different ones on. I just got this pack because, I don't know, I thought it would be cool. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, if you look inside, these are the voyage cubes. Okay. And it's got like a snake, an elephant and stuff.
And a sun.
Yeah. Oh, these are going to be cool.
Yeah, pretty much. So we got this thingy, but like I don't know what it does anyway.
It's just printer ink. Got some printer ink. We go through a lot of ink in this house, so...
The little ones, like, mostly dried out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, the pens, yeah. Okay. All this plastic. We recently switched to reusable, like, produce bags and stuff like that, so I'm looking at all this waste, like, ah!
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no crayons. We got a lot of crayons at this house.
Mm-hmm. These
but
are 24 packs.
Yeah, and Kyla broke the other ones.
Yeah, the little ones do break them a lot. We've ordered all of this stuff on Amazon. They usually have some really good deals on Crayola products. You can get like packs of 2, and I think sometimes you can get bigger packs even for a pretty good price. So I usually will get their 2 packs just because it's a better deal.
We got this one. Oh.
Got it.
Alright, so we got my mom's pens right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're black.
I use those for correcting and writing on papers.
And like to know when which one that we did wrong.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, so we got some air dry clay.
So we got like a game so we can like do it like anytime, but like we have to wait until Khadija comes back.
Yeah, so my husband bought like a little what do you call it, like a pottery wheel type thing, so we just got this so that they can kind of make some fun pottery stuff. And it's air dry, so You don't have to worry about like heating it or anything like that, which I like. Is it open? Oh, we're good. Okay.
All right.
So we're gonna go on to the next box.
Be careful when I put it down. All right. All right. We got. Ooh, I got really bad.
So we're gonna do one thing at a time, okay?
Okay. All right. So we got these like pens.
Yep, these are flare pens.
Yeah, they're like you can like color with them if you like, but like they
Colors.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of good things about the flare pens. I've never actually used them before, but okay. So I picked up a set for myself and one for the kids. So what do we got there?
We got some of these cards for Khadija. Somewhere, I don't know.
Yeah. Yep. These are multiplication cards. It's a multiplication game. It kind of looks like Uno a little bit, but it's called Zoom. Kind of cool. Yep.
Let's do this.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. So here we have some colored pencils. Again, it came in a 2-pack. It was just cheaper to do it that way. And plus we go through this stuff really quickly. So, I mean, for us, sorry, I poked you in the face. So for us, it's just better to get the 2-pack because we go through them so quickly.
Okay, so here we got some pencils.
Mm-hmm. Yep, these are these are my favorite pencils. I don't know how to pronounce them, but
anyway, we run out like erasers. Like anytime if we run out, we have to like grab another one.
Yeah, if you've watched any of our other unboxing videos, then you know that we go through pencils like crazy. I feel like I say that every single time I do these videos, but it's true. We go through so many pencils. I don't even know where they go, but at the beginning of the year, I bought 2 of these packs, which is a pack of 30, and we're here at the middle of the year, and they're gone. All of them. So I got some more.
That's alright. This is heavy.
Mm-hmm. Yep, printer paper.
Alright, so here we got the paper that Mom used to print a lot. It's pretty heavy, I can't take it.
It is heavy. Okay, we got some. You can just set it on the floor and pick it up. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Yeah, you can put it back in there. That's fine. Okay. And we got some more printer ink. I actually got 2 black inks and then 2 colored inks, I believe.
Are these color inks?
Yeah. I make a lot of like resources and stuff for homeschooling. So we go through a lot of ink. In the middle for me. Okay. So the next thing we got, I just got a big thing of a cardstock. Again,
what's
like
cardstock?
Cardstock is like, it's a really thick paper. It's a really thick paper, so it lasts a little bit longer than regular printer paper. But I get this because, again, I make a lot of resources that we can use that I want to use for a long period of time. So I got a bigger pack this time just because we go through it so much. So yeah, this is a cardstock. It's a pretty thick cardstock. It comes with 250 sheets. I was buying like a 50 sheet one, but we were going through it too quickly. But yeah, anyway, and it's 110 pounds, so that should last us a good amount of time.
Yep.
And the last thing in this box is they're thermal laminating sheets. Again, because I do like resources and stuff like that, we go through a lot of laminating pouches. I use this brand, Scotch. The laminator that I use is actually the same brand too. So I think I got 2 of these. It's probably in the other box. So there's that. And so yeah, if you see, this is made with cardstock and I laminated it, so that's what we use them for. But
yeah, and it doesn't get destroyed. If you don't do it, then it will get destroyed.
It makes it stronger. Yep.
Yeah, then it makes it stronger. It won't get destroyed. It won't get ripped.
Okay. Ooh. So we're on to the last box. It says it's heavy. Ooh. Okay, we got a lot of stuff.
So here we got some blocks, but they're like some shape things. The kid will love these. He always plays with them.
Yes, he does. Okay, so these are just learning resources, wooden pattern blocks. I like to get the wooden ones better just because I feel like they last longer. And yeah, I don't know, they hold up a little bit better than the foam ones, I feel like. Okay. We like using these for a lot of different things. But yeah.
What else? We got a surprise. Alright, we got some animal thingies that mostly you play with, but looks like you put them in cups. And maybe you can like drink out of them, I don't know.
Well, these are actually for counting. They're sorting. You can sort them. You see they've got cups that match like the bears. It's just the counting set. Counting bears, it's got the it's got different colored cups to match the different colored bears. You could do counting, color sorting, and all that stuff. Kind of cool. And it comes with a little bag to put it all in, so.
Yep, what else do we got? Ooh, another one. So here we have another one.
Yep, more flare pens, yay!
Yep, so we don't run out. I'm glad. Woo!
Okay. We've got some more printer paper. Again, we go through this stuff like crazy, so I got 2 of them because I don't like running out.
This is what my Nana has. Mostly, I use these to like learn my letters more better.
Spelling. Okay, so it's just a little spelling puzzle. It's got the picture, and each piece has a different letter on it. Kind of helps with letter sequencing and stuff like that. Spelling. Really cool. They have one of these at my mother-in-law's house, and they really love it, so I decided it was time to get us our own.
Yep. Mostly we always play with them. Alright, you got another one of these. So here we got some color pencils. Because like mostly we like get to them really fast, and like my brothers and sisters like hide them away.
Go through them super fast. Okay, so I got a pack of Astro Brights. This is more cardstock.
Yeah, it has like different color papers inside.
Yes. It's got some fun bright colors. I don't know if you can see it here.
It has yellow and black.
Yeah, I like incorporating a lot of color into like our resources and stuff like that because I don't know, it's fun.
Let's see. Oh, we got some more. I don't know what this is. Oh no, it's open. Oh no.
What is it?
Letters, things.
Oh, here, let's close it up so it doesn't fall out.
Alright.
Okay, go ahead.
So we got some letter cards. Mostly like it helps you to like math or to like do your reading.
So these are sight word. It's sight word cards. It's actually a game.
Yeah, I'm like mostly like my brother like watches sight words every day. He's always like, "Hey, I want to watch it," and I'm like, "No."
Okay, but these are for you. You've got to learn your sight words.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so this is, yep, just a sight word game. Sight word card game. Splat. Splat. Can you see it? Focus. Focus. There it is.
Splat. It's splat all over
cool.
the place. Another box. Oh no, I think it's Play-Doh.
It is Play-Doh, you're right. I regret buying Play-Doh every single time. I still buy it every single time I do an order. I don't know why.
Oh my god.
Yep. Another set of thermal laminating pouches. This is a pack of 100, I believe. Yep. 100. So this should last me for quite a while, hopefully. Okay, let's see what else. Yep. We've got more printer ink.
And we got, ooh, oh no.
What's that?
About this. We got some bubble thingies, but like you have to like squeeze them, and like you have to like put them back mostly. You can make a line with it too.
Yep. They're just dot markers, so it's got a couple of different colors in there. Looks like it has pink, red, orange, yellow, rainbow colors.
Let me see. It doesn't have any black. I wish it had black. I really like black.
Does it not have black in it? No, it doesn't. Anyway. Yep, I had some ideas for what I wanted to do with these, so I just picked up a set. And hopefully they will last.
Alright.
Okay.
We got some more pencils that we can use. More coloring pencils.
Yeah, how long do you think they'll last?
For 14 days.
14 days. Oh, hopefully they'll last longer than that. Okay. Anyway, the last thing that we have in the box is this math war game. It's an addition and subtraction card game. I thought I got, oh yeah. I also ordered the multiplication set at the beginning of the year. So I decided to pick these up for this one, who's learning addition and subtraction. Right? Okay. So that's it. That's our unboxing for our mid-year supply order. And yep, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll talk to you next time, okay?
Bye!